Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Noorie, and in today's video I have a luxury unboxing haul for you guys. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I have picked up a couple of new in bits to add to my collection and I thought I would show you. I've also picked up my Fendi First bag yesterday, so I'm really excited to show you that and some other little bits that I've purchased. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to start off with Cartier. Now this is a piece that I have been wearing for the past few months and I actually picked up in Mallorca from the Cartier store there, so you guys probably already know what this is if you watch my Mallorca vlog and if you've got a good eye. I realised that I didn't actually film an unboxing for it, and I feel like now that I've had it for a few months I can actually kind of give you a review on this piece, because it's a piece that I always get questions about. People always come to me like for advice on jewellery. So I thought that this would be really useful to include because it is a new luxury piece that I've purchased and I've had it for a few months, so I can definitely give you kind of my honest opinion and review. So this is the box. I just love Cartier, like the packaging, the colour of it. It's just such a rich colour. I just love it. Oh. So I actually had to take this piece off my wrist and put it back in the box just so it could be a part of this whole unboxing process. Let's open it up. So it is the Cartier Juste un Clou bangle. I feel like if you're a regular viewer and you follow me on Instagram, you already know this was coming. This piece was a piece that I've wanted for a long time. My mum actually had this, she has her own one, like 2 years ago she got, and I think in one of my very first YouTube videos, in like a luxury handbag collection video I think I did, it's like one of the very first videos, I was actually wearing that bangle. Oh no, so my luxury best and worst purchases, I was wearing her bangle because I remember I was like, oh mum, I'm filming a video, can I wear your bangle? Because I just love that bangle so much. And then I had questions from people asking me like what I thought of the bangle, and then I was like, oh, it's not actually mine, it's my mum's. So I thought it was about time that I got myself one. And when we were in Mallorca, we went into the Cartier store and I tried it on, and I mean, it just fit my wrist so beautifully. My wrists are very empty, I don't wear anything on there, so I thought this would be the perfect piece to add to my wrist. I do want to get the Cartier Panther watch, I believe it is, the small size in gold, and I thought that this would be beautiful with it. So I purchased this first because it's more affordable compared to the watch, and I have not taken it off ever since I've got it. It's just such a beautiful little dainty piece to have on like all the time. I sleep with it on, I shower with it on, and I think that's the beauty of like buying fine jewellery when it's like all solid gold. You know it's not going to get tarnished. It's really long lasting. I really love the bangle because I feel like it's a very unique design. It's definitely like one of those Cartier pieces that as soon as you see, you know it's a Cartier Juste un Clou, and the Juste un Clou is one of my favourite collections. I have the Juste un Clou ring, and I feel like it's a perfect pairing. I picked this up in yellow gold because all of my pieces are in yellow gold, and I just love it. I'm going to put the bracelet on now because my hands feel very empty without it. So the bangle is very easy to put on. It's just like it like bends, so you just, and it is on. I really just love the look of it. I feel like it's such a statement piece, but not such a big statement that you can't wear it every day. And I feel like it works really well with my jewellery collection. I do also want to get another bracelet or bangle to wear with this one. I know typically like the most popular thing is to wear this with the love bangle, but I'm just not a huge fan of the love bangle. I have the love ring, but the bangle, I feel like I'd rather get something a little bit different. I really like the Clé de Cartier with this, but it only comes in rose gold and I'm a yellow gold person, so I feel like I'm waiting for a yellow gold version to be released. But if you have any suggestions of what would go well with this bangle, let me know in the comments below. I do like the look of the Van Cleef Alhambra bracelets, but they're just too delicate for me, because with me, for jewellery, I want to have a piece on that I can wear. I don't have to worry about, I don't have to take off when I go in the shower. And I know with the Van Cleef, the certain stones are very sensitive or very delicate and they get smashed, so that is an issue for me. But yeah, this bracelet, as I said, I've had it for a couple of months now. I've worn it. It's so easy to sleep in. It's just a really comfortable piece that you kind of like forget about once it's on. I would say though, because of the pointiness of the nail, it does sometimes catch onto clothes. So sometimes I can find myself like walking and it like catches on something and it kind of pulls it. So that is something that I have noticed. But other than that, it's like a really easy bracelet to wear. And I just love the look of it. You've probably noticed it in most of my videos, but this is the formal unboxing that it deserves. So this is actually my first purchase from Celine. I'm a huge fan of their brand. I love the aesthetic, but I've never actually bought anything from there. I am actually after the Celine box leather, if it's Triumph bag. I'll insert a picture. That bag is so beautiful and I feel like it's just a classic bag. But anyway, I actually purchased a pair of sunglasses. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, by the way, if you're not already, because that's kind of where you get to see like the first sneak peeks of my items, and also you get to help me decide which items to get, because sometimes I'm a bit indecisive and I always put up polls and you guys really help to make my decisions. So anyway, I picked up these sunglasses. I was in Celine Selfridges and we were just window shopping, walking around. I saw these sunglasses. They were a different shape to what I own. I thought I'd try them on and it was love at first sight. I love the packaging as well. So it comes in this really nice leather case with the Celine writing on there, and then these are the glasses. So the thing that I love about these sunglasses is the shape of them. They're like this oval shape, and for me, I wanted to get a pair that's different to the other pairs of sunglasses I have. I usually go for the cat eye, the large oversized frame style, and I really wanted to try something different, and I tried these on and I just love how they look. I feel like they're a very like cool girl sunglass. I normally go for the classic styles and this is a bit less of a classic style. I love the tortoise shell. I feel like it's a really flattering kind of print and colour for my face. Because sometimes if you go for an all black frame, which I do own, it can be quite a lot, but I feel like with tortoiseshell it kind of blends in, it's not as strong. And then I also love the Celine logo that is on the side in gold detail. It's just such a cute little detail, and it says Celine Paris. I love it. I'm gonna pop them on. Do they look nice, True? Okay, so this is the sunglasses on. I love them. I just think they're really cool. I love the vibe that they give off, very different. I feel like it works well with my bob. And the price for these was, I think, around £320 or £310. I love the weight of it. Like, it feels like it's a good weighty amount for like the price you pay, but then when you have it on your face, it's really comfortable and it doesn't feel heavy. Because my Chanel black sunglasses I love the look of them, I love the style of them, but they're really heavy and like sometimes it hurts my nose, so I can't wear it for a long period of time. But these Celine sunglasses are like the perfect weight, that they feel solid enough to kind of not just break, they're not flimsy, but then on the face they're really comfortable. I love these, and I think I might be a Celine glasses convert, because I know the sunglasses are like super popular and I definitely want to try out some other styles. Okay, and then finally we have the Fendi unboxing. Now, this bag I did have to wait for around a month for, because I had to pre-order it as it's sold out in most places. I feel like this bag has come at the perfect time. It's a perfect autumnal bag, so versatile. I'm just going to do an unboxing for you guys. I picked this one up yesterday. Massive box. When I was picking this one up, actually, I bumped into a couple of my subscribers. So if you're watching this, hi, it was so nice to see you. I absolutely love when you guys come and say hi to me. It makes my day. And funnily enough, the place that I get, like, I see you guys the most is Selfridges, which is perfect because I'm always there, and obviously you guys are there too. This is the bag. It is the Fendi First in the beautiful tan colour. This was in my full wish list and I tried it on in store, the shearling one, because they didn't have this colour, and I fell in love. I love how versatile this bag is and I love the size of it. And I don't actually own many tan bags, so I definitely feel like this was needed in my collection. I'm gonna peel off the stickers because I can. This bag, I just love the detail as well. Like, the inside has the Fendi monogram, which I think is such a nice detail to have. It has the gold hardware, which is my favorite color. So I just love this bag so much. I love the F detail. I think the size is perfect. This is the medium size. The monogram inside is so beautiful. And then this is the strap. So I'm just gonna put the strap on. So it actually has these clips inside, which you clip out so you can attach the straps to, but then when you want to wear it as a clutch, you can pop it back in, which I love. They've really thought of everything with this bag. Let me touch the strap. Okay, so this is it with the strap on. It's such a beautiful bag. Like, it just fits right under my armpit, but like a really comfortable position where you can still open it with it being on my arm. get what I need, close it back up. And I just love the look of this. I'm so happy with this bag. I love that I can use it as a pouch bag. I can use it as a shoulder bag. It's so versatile, and it's also a bag that I can use throughout the year, because although the shearling one was so beautiful, I feel like it's a bag that I would only be able to use in autumn winter, whereas this would still be so stunning in the summer, but then I could use it right now. It's like a soft leather but still very kind of sturdy, so I feel like it will definitely keep its shape. And I just love the details of this bag. I'm just obsessed. Sorry, I'm looking at it properly now because yesterday I looked at it briefly and then he packed it up for me. So now I'm actually getting a real look. I can't wait to style this piece up. If you do want to see how I wear this bag, follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be wearing this a lot this autumn winter, and I just can't wait to show you all the different ways that I can wear this. Okay, so that is the end of the haul. I did say it was quite a small luxury haul, but I am now shopping a little bit more consciously in terms of impulse buying. That's why I made my full wish list, because I kind of want to curate the pieces that I have in my head, write them down and actually think about what I'm buying, because it's very easy to go into Selfridges, go into Harrods, see something I like and just buy it, and I'm trying to stop doing that because that's how you end up buying pieces that you later on don't really want. So yeah, it's a small haul, but it's a haul of pieces that I really love, I really wanted. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you do enjoy this haul, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!